Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these baked buffalo chicken tenders. We are making a really simple chicken tender recipe that are so delicious. They are so nicely seasoned. They've got buffalo sauce. There's no breading involved, so they're super easy to make and just as delicious as if they had a breading. I just prefer to not have to mess with all of the dredging process when making chicken tenders. So these are like a naked chicken tender. So I've got about you want about 8 to 10 chicken tenders. These are kind of small, so I have 10. So I've got them in this bowl because we're gonna add the seasonings to them. I've got a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. That's all of our seasoning. So now we're going to mix it all up. And you could also put these in like a zip top bag and shake it like shake and bake. And now I've got a foil lined sheet tray. So I'm going to lay them on the sheet tray in a single layer. Okay, these are gonna bake in the oven, 350 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to make sure that they have an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, our chicken tenders are out of the oven and they look amazing. It took 15 minutes and they are perfectly cooked. So now I've got 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce and I'm just going to slather it all over each chicken tender with my basting brush. And you really could just use as much buffalo sauce as you want. Lay it on thick. You could also put these in a bowl and just toss them with the sauce. You could chop these into dices and toss them with the sauce and then have like a buffalo chicken salad. That is actually what I'm going to have for dinner. A buffalo chicken salad. That sounds so good with some blue cheese and some blue cheese dressing. My favorite kind of salad. So now we just need to take a bite and see how amazing they taste. It's so juicy, seasoned perfectly. Oh my gosh, so much flavor. And so juicy. These would be perfect prepped at the beginning of the week. Then you could have them for salads or just, eat them with a side, a vegetable or something like that. But anyway, be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.